Jay making movies. It's getting a little thinner since we got there.
Hey, ain't all them fools go right there.
Might have to drop. Might have to drop a dime on them.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta stop it.
I don't like that.
For sure, bro.
I don't like that.
Yeah, well.
Woo! Now, even though these ain't the ones that I wanted, I still had to have them, man. But they early, so you know we got to show them. And I need to know, y'all going after these, or y'all sleep? Because the demand is crazy. YouTube family. What's good? You know we back, man. You know we back, and we slightly early with this one, man, because I do have a shoe that is set to be releasing tomorrow, depending on when you're watching this video, man. This shoe that I have right here is set to be releasing on December 22nd, y'all, and it will be releasing in a trio of colors, man. Your boy Jay didn't in particularly want this in particular color that I got right here. However, I want the trio, so you know, got to have all three of them. But this color that I do have, it's still decent. We're gonna check it out. I want to see how they look in hand. But before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, glad to have y'all, man. I need for y'all to stick around, join the fam, hit that subscribe button, man. Big shout out to you all, man. Shout out to the new members. I see a lot of new members commenting down below. Hey, I'm new around here, all that good stuff. Keep them coming in so I can go ahead and respond back to y'all, welcome y'all to the fam. But yes, if you do hit that subscribe button, just let me know down below in the comment section, hey, I'm new, so I can give you that warm welcome to the fam, man. But it's always truly appreciated. We recently hit 153. Y'all don't hear me, bro. Y'all don't hear me. We hit 153,000. Wow, y'all, man. So I'm truly grateful, thankful, and just blessed for you know, the support that I get from y'all, man. But yeah, man, shout out to y'all keep it coming. Smash the thumbs up, do that for your boy Jay. But yes, outside of that, man, unboxing of a shoe that is set to be releasing tomorrow, December 22nd. And yeah, let's get right to it. Whew. Dang, y'all, so as you can see, I just got this package today. It came in the mail today, man. So shout out to them for the fast shipping. I know some people who hit on other colorways of this shoe and they still ain't even got tracking, but I do got that other colorway on the way. I just haven't received them yet, but we'll get to that when that gets here, man. But this shoe that is releasing tomorrow, receipts are good, receipts are good. Yep, don't need it though, but yes sir, it does come in that all black box, man. Whoo, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Bang, man. If you know, you know. You see what's going on with it, y'all. This shoe right here is from the Joe Fresh Goods collection. This is a Joe Fresh Good collab with New Balance, y'all. This is the New Balance U990 JR4. I mean, this is the V4. This is the 990s, the V4 joints, y'all. I did go true to size 9. Hopefully that will work for your boy Jay, but that's the size tag. As you can see the box, y'all, you got the New Balance logo, you got the Joe Fresh Goods JFB right there, and then it's just it's nice, man. Very stealthy, you know. It says made in USA for over 75 years right there on the top of the lid, and then of course you do got the New Balance logo, y'all. So that is it for the box. Real quick, popping off the box lid if I can get into it. Boy, it's sealed, ain't it? Bro, look at this. Look at this, bro. Like, what's going on? It got a lock on it? Like, I'm literally just holding the box lid, but dang. Yeah, it do got like a little, as you can see, it got like a little wedge right there that locks it on. But now that we got the safety part off, the box lid does have some writing on it, as you can see right there. The box lid does read, with over 75 years of authentic American craftsmanship, New Balance made in USA is designed without compromise. This pair represents our unwavering commitment to those who walk their own path, man. So that is what we have right there on the lid. Cool. Outside of that, paper inside the box, y'all. We got some little special blue, white, pink. Y'all, Belly. This collection is inspired by the 1998 movie Belly. If you know, you know, one of my favorite movies from the 90s, y'all. But it does have that, like I said, if you know Belly, you know this kind of brings you back to certain scenes of that movie as far as the colors. But actually the paper too, it is money, as you can see, y'all. That's like a bill, a $20 bill or something you got right there, man. So it does have money printed on the paper, as well as I'm sure other things that I can't really see because it's not unfolded. But you do got that printed paper. Then we got some white paper. Then we got some New Balance paper, y'all. White and gray New Balance writing font going all throughout the paper. And beneath that, we got the Joe Fresh Good 990 V4s. The intro colorway, y'all. What we looking like? What we looking like? Bang, y'all. So there you have them.
I don't like that shit.
This is more of a mature style, modern dad, bruh. Yeah. This is the new wave, bruh. These New Balances, bruh. I was just talking with the homie Ron Got. Salute to my bro, Ron Got Soul, man. He is a real one, bro. Ron Got Soul right there, man. Y'all need to follow him, bro. Like, hey, he a real one. Like, follow my guy, man. I'm gonna let y'all know the crazy just way he looked out for me when I can, maybe in a couple days or so. But hey, man, he did something. Like, he kept it all the way solid with your boy Jay, man. But Ron Got Soul, a real one. I was just talking to him about the New Balance collabs and just the collection and colorways New Balance has been coming out with as of lately. New Balance has been going crazy, y'all, and I'm a fan of it, y'all. Like I said, I do have one of the 3 colorways set to be releasing tomorrow, y'all. Of course, we do got the intro, we got the outro, which is that black colorway, which is my favorite. I'm definitely waiting on that one in the mail. And the Keisha pair, of course, which is the all over blue suede, which is the more limited of them all. Chicago exclusive. That's the only way you'll be able to get those is by going to the shop in Chicago. But I do plan on getting my hands on that one at some point in time when the price is right. But the black pair is on the way, so those will be here soon enough, man. But it does come with an extra set of black laces just rolled up like that. They were just thrown in the box, nothing special about it. So I'm gonna just tuck them inside the shoe. But these is, I'm not mad at them, bro. I did not really too much care for the white pair. You know, my target was the black pair, man. But having them in hand, I will definitely make some use of them, bro. I definitely will throw these on. Like I told y'all, New Balance, very comfortable shoe. Very comfortable shoe. And yeah, man, I'm here for it, man. The movie Belly, one of my favorites. Why not? Bang! So there we have them, y'all. The intro New Balance 990s. Of course, the Joe Fresh Good joints, man. Definitely not bad at all, bruh. Like I said, these are definitely looking better in hand. I see more that I can definitely style them, throw them on with something like what I have. A nice, calm, casual little fit. Take a look at the back of the shoe. Take a look at that top heel. You got 1998, y'all. That is when the movie released, of course. And does come with a little, of course, hang tag. Not really a hang tag, but of course the tagging of the New Balance branding on it right there. I don't think it's anything on the other side right now. Nothing on the other side, man. But all over nice hairy suede, man. Very hairy suede. Nice materials on it too, man. It looks like, yeah, that's a mesh. I thought it looked like it's like a rubber, but it's a meshing on the toe box area as well as on the tongue. Take a look at the tongue. You do got, of course, the New Balance USA type logo to say, and then you do have the 990 V4 written on there. These is, like I said, man, I'm not mad at them at all. I'm not mad at these at all. You got patent leather hits, iridescent, y'all. Iridescent patent leather hits going throughout this little material right there. So you got that little shine on there, man. But these is gonna look good on feet, man. These is gonna, I'm gonna be able to freak these, man. Like I said, man, I'm not mad at New Balance and what they have been doing. I now own a couple pairs of New Balance. Like I told y'all, for the new year, I plan on going in my bag, y'all. I plan on like hitting y'all with different brands when it makes sense, you know what I'm saying? So I plan on getting y'all some more content over here. We will not definitely stay away from Nike and Jordan. That will be the primary, of course, but we will have stuff such as, you know, this over here, man. And yo, man, my New Balance collection is kind of, you know, I got ones and twos, the ones that matters, you know, like Bang! The New Balance 9975. No bad days. Whew. These is clean. If you know, you know. Bang! As well as the New Balance 9060s. The multi-color joints, man. These is clean. One of my more recent pickups, man. And I also got, bang, some essential, some 550s, the all over red suede, man. So, hey, you know you gotta start somewhere, man. But yeah, man, look, my secondary brand, I want to say right behind Jordan brand and Nike is gotta be New Balance, man. Y'all let me know. Comment down below, what is your secondary brand outside of Nike and Jordan? Let me know. But yes, sir, these right here clean, like I said, man, inspired from the movie Belly. Definitely a nice little put together collab by Joe Fresh Goods and New Balance, bro. I'm not mad at them. Like I said, y'all, I will have the full collection because you know I'm a collection guy, you know what I'm saying? When I have one, it's like Pokemon. I gotta have them all, you know what I'm saying? But let me know your thoughts and opinions. First thoughts, that is, on the Joe Fresh Goods New Balance joints. Intro, of course, we got the intro, we got the outro, and is it called Keisha? The blue pair, I think. It might be called Keisha, but as you can see, I didn't tell y'all, look, Joe Fresh Good branding right there on the back heel, JFG. And these will be releasing tomorrow on the Joe Fresh Goods website. $220 is the retail price. I want to say they'll be releasing around noon, 10 a.m. to noon Eastern. Make sure you check over. Actually, I'm going to do that for y'all right now. Actually, I lied, y'all. Joe Fresh Goods, their website release might be over with y'all, but they are releasing on New Balance tomorrow, December 22nd, 10 a.m. Eastern. They will be on the New Balance website. So they do have the white pair as well as they do have the outro, the black pair, man. So those are both loaded on the New Balance website. 10 a.m. I will link this in particular page down below in the description, y'all. So you'll have a chance to get both pairs. And these are busting, y'all. I was getting ready to leave, but hey, these are, hey, they doing some numbers, y'all. Resale on these are still high. I want to say they're 300 plus, y'all. So one of the more pricier New Balances, y'all. So definitely don't sleep on them if you want them. Do not make the price in the resale, you know, make you run to them. But they do, you know, have a lot of demand to them, man. So definitely if you want them, try your luck tomorrow. New Balance website, 10 a.m. I will link it down below in the description. But this is the intro. The outro is in transit. It's on the way. I wish, you know, well, I'm not gonna say I wish Christmas wasn't Monday. I wish it wasn't Monday. I wish it was a little further out so I could have some more time. But I think my pair will be here around Tuesday or so, the day after Christmas. But we'll get to that when it gets here. Let me know if you cop anything tomorrow pertaining to the Joe Fresh Goods, man. But outside of that, y'all stay blessed. I'm gone. Yo, Keisha. Yo. Yeah. We need a part 2 Belly, man. We need a 2024 version of Belly, man. I think that'll go crazy. But yeah, man, I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. We out.